Yeah, you can go now.
Okay, for this equation, you can't have this as an answer because this is a whole unit and you can't break it down. But if it was something writ like 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1, you just can't mark these two out because you have a plus up here and a minus down here. But if you had this as a plus, then you could mark them out.
So the right answer would be...
The answer.
Because it can't be simplified. That's it. Go on. You're on.
Now?
Yeah.
The answer to this problem is 1/4. Because if you divide all this by 4, if you divide 10 by 4, you get 5 halves. If you divide z by 4, you get 1/4 z. And if you divide 8 by 4, you get 2.
This is our equation, 3 minus 1/2 x, and we're trying to find the intercepts. So, Cam, if you could hit the second graph there for me, that'd be appreciated. Alright, and this is our table. And so we just found out when x equals 0, y equals 3. And when y equals 0, x equals 6. And that's how we found our intercepts. Here you go.
Alright, this is the answer to this problem. But this 1/3 is written wrong, as in it can be taken two ways. It could either be taken as 1/3 times x, which would give you the wrong answer, or 1 over 3x, which would give you the right answer. So write it like this.
Because McGee says so.
Yeah, that's the way McGee likes it.
Right.
Alright, right now we're doing how you would do the slope-intercept form, and we're using this right here, the first one to begin with, which is a point and a slope. So Jam's writing it in there.
On a crappy marker.
You would put the 4 in for the y1, and then the slope, where m is, and then for x1 you would just put the x, parentheses, my man.
I'm mad.
Alright, and that's how you do number 1. Now we're doing it with number 2, but before you do number 2 you have to find slope.
Yes.
Which would be y2 minus y1, so that would be 1 minus 4, and then x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus 1. Yeah, should equal negative 3, 3. Which would equal negative 1. Alright, that's good, man. Now, let's erase that. Erase that, Jam. Now we know the slope's negative 1, and we already have we can use either point we want. So Jam, just choose whatever point you want to put in there. And it looks like he chose the first one. And we know the slope. Very good, Jam. Alright, now we're doing the opposite reciprocal ones, and we're using this formula we're given here. Go with it, Jam.
Go with it.
Remember, with opposite, with parallel slopes, you have to use opposite reciprocals.
Opposite reciprocals?
So it would be negative 2/3. Good job, Jam. I didn't even know you could do that, man. Alright. Now this one we're using same slope, or if they're parallel, and we're using this formula here to do it. My bad. That's really an equation, just in case you want to get technical.
Same slope?
Same slope, my man.
No, it's not right.
1.
Is it minus?
Yeah, it's minus, dude. Alright, and that's how you do it.